Do you spend hours and hours studying only to end up with a bad grade? Or do you just want to learn how to study faster and in a much more effective way? If so, this video is for you. Welcome to AI Study Lab, the place where we learn to study smarter with the help of artificial intelligence. So, how can artificial intelligence actually help you study better? Well, this method uses AI to turn the way you study into something smarter and more efficient. Instead of spending hours trying to understand difficult topics, AI helps you learn faster, organize your notes, and test yourself so you know exactly what you need to improve. It's all based on 3 simple steps that can completely change the way you learn. Let's break them down, one by one. The first step is simple. Let AI explain the parts you don't understand. When you're stuck on a concept or a paragraph from your notes, just copy it and ask an AI tool like ChatGPT or Perplexity to explain it clearly. When you talk to the AI, paste the part you don't understand and write something like this. I'm studying this topic but I don't get it. Explain it to me in an easy way so I can understand it. The AI will simplify it, give you clear examples, and even connect it with things you already know. It's like having a personal tutor, available 24/7. Once you understand the topic, it's time for step 2. Use AI to organize what you've learned. Instead of rewriting your notes or trying to highlight everything, you can ask AI to make summaries, key points, or visual outlines for you. Just copy your notes or the text you're studying and write something like this. Summarize this in 5 key points so I can memorize it well. Or, create a simple outline to help me remember this topic. In seconds, you'll get a clear and structured version of your notes that makes revision so much easier. You can even ask the AI to turn your notes into a mind map or bullet list so you can visualize the main ideas. This step helps your brain process information better and keeps everything organized when it's time to review. Now that you understand and memorize your notes, it's time for the third step. Test yourself with AI. This is where you make sure that what you've learned actually stays in your mind. Copy your notes or the summary from the previous step and ask the AI to create a quiz to test what you've learned. When asking for the test, you can write something like, create a test about this topic with the number of questions you want and with the type of questions you prefer, true or false, short answers, multiple choice, and so on. In just a few seconds, you'll get a personalized quiz made specifically for you. Then, try to answer it and see which parts you already know and which ones you need to review again. This step turns passive studying into active learning because when you test yourself, you don't just read, you train your brain to remember. So, that's the full AI study method, 3 simple steps that can completely change the way you study. First, let AI explain what you don't understand. Second, use it to organize your notes with summaries and outlines. And third, test yourself to make sure you really learned it. 3 steps that help you study less, understand more, and learn smarter with AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Study Lab and share this video with your friends because we're just getting started and there's so much more you can learn with the help of AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.